How to install apps from unknown sources on Android. So in order for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open settings. Now take note that this is actually going to differ depending on the Android phone that you are using, but basically the easier way in order for us to get this done is try to look for the search option here and then go ahead and try to look for install. After doing so, what you are going to do is try to scroll down and you're going to go ahead and look for something like this. Install apps from external sources or unknown sources depending again on the Android phone that you are using. In my case, I'm Huawei, so I'm going to be using this install apps from external sources. I'm going to click this one, and then what you're going to do is try to locate your browsers. For example, in my case, I'm using Chrome most of the time, so in my case I have set this one to allow. So you can click this one and then make sure that you toggle this on. And then if you're going to read here, it says using apps from unknown sources will leave your device and personal data more vulnerable to security threats. So again, make sure that you have agreed to this one before doing so. You can also try to look for your other browser. For example, I have this one right here. I can just go ahead and click this one and then toggle this on. If I don't want it, then I can just go ahead and toggle it off just like so. And yep, you can see that they are, or these are the apps that does not allow for me to install from external sources. And again, this is going to be different depending on the devices that you are using. In my case, that is how I am going to do so in my Huawei device.